Hello guys, it's Jordan, and these are the new fidget spinners that I was telling you about. All of these new, and we still have like 30 left, but we're selling them. So yeah, some of these are mine, some of them aren't. These are really cool. My favorite would be the gold one that my cousin has. This gold one right here, yeah, that's my favorite probably. So yeah. Now, Robbie, will you do the honors to spin them?
All of them?
Yes.
It's mean.
But what about the two I just added?
It's mean.
Spin them.
Yeah. But what about
Can
the two
we
I
use
added?
yours too?
I saw them.
Yes.
Yes.
Do them in the back.
Come on, fast. The video's gonna end.
Restart the video.
It's on. The video.
Hurry up.
Go,
We're waiting for you, Smee.
That one's the same one as this one. I just got the same ones as that one.
Okay, here. First one up is the blue medal. Then it goes to Jonathan's, found on the floor.
That one doesn't turn on anymore. John's
That's an LED one, which is cool.
might stop.
Robbie! Okay, so you guys saw it just
Pretty-
for a little bit.
Whoa,
So
I'm not
bye
done, I'm not
guys, see you later.
I have to take a